Hey guys, it's me Alina. Welcome to my channel. So today I will be trying out some makeup trends of 2020. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first let's start with the brows. Now I just filled in my brows, but soap brows and natural bushy brows are all over the internet, and that thick and defined eyebrows are vanishing slowly. Now I really wanted to try out the soap eyebrow, but I do not have any transparent soap now. But once the lockdown is over, maybe I will make a separate video on that. So yeah. Now let's move on to the eyes. Now colorful eyeliners are all over the Instagram. There are like neons, whites, dark blue, red, pink and anything like bright colors. So today we will be trying out this trend. So let's see. Now I do not have any colorful eyeliner, so I will be using this red lipstick and a brush to apply eyeliner. So let's see. So I will be quickly back after doing this eye. So guys, this is how my eyeliner turned out. This looks beautiful. I know this is not as clean as it could be, but still this looks very beautiful. I am definitely going to try out with many different colors. So yeah. So the next thing is a floating eyeliner. Now if you do not have any idea what is a floating eyeliner, this is how it looks. You have to draw the eyeliner somewhere here. Now I do not know how it will look on my eyes because I have hooded eyes. But anyway, let's try. Oh god, I really don't want to try this out because I don't want to mess my beautiful eyeliner. But anyway, let's try. So let it dry and I will be back after doing this eye.
One eternity later.
So this is how my floating eyeliner looks like. This looks horrible guys. So yeah, I'll never try this. I will be back after wiping it. Now you can go crazy with your blush. You can see like connecting blush with the eyeshadow from the nose to your temples. So let's see. So this is how my blush looks. I think this looks really cute. I will definitely try this out. Now this look is known as the blush on blush look or the blown out blush look. Anyway, this looks cute. So yeah. Now for highlighting, very harsh highlighting is vanishing. Now it's more like within kind of a glow, and for that I'm using this Biotic sunscreen lotion. So yeah. Now for lip, the classic red lip or the natural glossy lips are very in nowadays. So I already have red eyeliner, so I will be going in with a natural glossy lip. What can give better gloss than Vaseline? Now I already have some tint on my lips. I will leave it like that and just apply Vaseline. So yeah. And yeah, that's it. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope you like it, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and thank you so much for watching my videos, and take care. Bye bye.